This thing is damn pretty solid, I'd say though. She ain't bad. Needs a gas cap. I should be back in like 3 or 4 weeks with this baby. Hopefully sooner than that. Gotta begin the building process. Make this old son of a bitch run. Really run. Look at this pristine cabin. You just got all the leg room, all of the manuals. You don't need the boot on there. You don't need any of that shit. Glove box. You don't need a glove box. What are you fucking talking about, my dude? Radio. It's there. Defroster. It's also here. It does something. You don't need all that shit. What are you talking about? Old school wagon wheels. Just got all of the vintage. Just beautiful. A little bit of weight reduction on her here or there. Some of that classic flag paint. We're just don't talk about none of that. But she is a big block 360 unit, so she's pretty lovely.